Hi everyone, so today I'm making the famous whipped coffee that you've seen online or on TikTok, and I'm going to show you how you can make it at home. So first you'll need instant coffee, your milk of choice, sugar, a mixing bowl, a tablespoon, and a whisk. So you'll take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You'll need a cup of hot water because you'll also need 2 tablespoons of the hot water. Once all your ingredients are in a bowl, you'll whisk it. You can whisk it by hand or you can attach it to your power drill like I did. And you're looking for a color similar to this and a consistency or texture that is caramel-like. You can serve the whipped coffee hot or iced. I decided to do an iced coffee, so I poured in my milk and my ice cubes and I poured the whipped coffee over top. I hope that you get to try it during this quarantine and shelter in place. Trust me, it's delicious. Of course, if you're making the coffee for more than one person, just double the recipe. I hope you're able to enjoy the coffee, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.